Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you have any query then comment in comment box and please subscribe my YouTube channel and please watch video on PC and laptop for clear vision. And our today topic is Advanced Machine Learning कोर्स नंबर 5 डीप लर्निंग इन कंप्यूटिंग विजन्स। जो मेरे पिछली 4 वीडियो थी उसमें मैंने कोर्स 4 प्रैक्टिकल री एनफोर्समेंट लर्निंग, कोर्स नंबर 3 एंड कोर्स नंबर 2 एंड कोर्स नंबर 1 इंट्रोडक्शन टू डीप लर्निंग, इन सभी कोर्स के क्विज के सॉल्यूशन बताए थे। नाउ आज जो मैं कोर्स नंबर 5 के आंसर बताऊंगा इस वीडियो में। नाउ वी विल डिस्कस वीक 1 क्विज आंसर कोर्स नंबर 5। कोर्स नंबर 5 week 1 quiz answer is based on basic image processing and the first question answer is 57 and the question number second answer is this is the question number second answer square bracket open square bracket 84 48 69 73 76 38 75 63 41 double times square bracket close and the question number third answer is the question number third and the answer is this is the question number third answer 0.5 comma 1.5 comma 2.2 comma 1 comma 0.75 and the question number fourth answer is 3. This is the week 1 quiz answer of course number 5. Now we will discuss week 2 quiz answer कोर्स नंबर 5। जो वीक 2 क्विज आंसर है वो बेसिकली रिग्रेशन के ऊपर है। नाउ डिस्कस वीक 2 क्विज आंसर एंड द वीक 2 क्विज आंसर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर इज बी आंसर they act like dimensionally reduction and so on and the question number second answer is A B C. Use 1 into 1, use stack 3 into 3 filters and use 3 into 3 filters and the question number third answer is A. Residual connection help back propagation error in very deep networks and so on and the question number fourth answer is A, B and D. Visual features are learned automatically. Neural networks allow us to recover the nonlinear and the computer power has reached a level that allows you to solve optimization problem with a variety of parameters. And the question number fifth answer is small random turns and early learning stop and dropouts and regularization. And the question number sixth answer is it allows focusing on differences associated with specific object parts which can be small relative to the whole image. And the question number 7th answer is A, C and D. Color similarity, scene geometric similarity and instance similarity. And the question number 8th answer is C and D. 10 10 10 11 00 10 triple 1 and 1. This is the question number 8 answer. And the question number 9th answer is cluster image descripts using k-means, then compute LSH codes for the difference of original post points and cluster centers using LSH. And the question number 10th answer is to reduce the impact of the diversity of human pose, angle and scale. And the question number 11 is the last question, initial and refinement models. So yeah, this is not a last question and the last question is question number 12 and the answer is B, training descriptor, the comparison of distance between descriptor. This is a week 2 quiz answer and now we will discuss deep learning in computer vision week 3 quiz solution and it's based on object detection. And the first question answer is 9. This is the first question and the answer is 9 and the second question answer is 97 space 60 and the question number third is 11 And the question number fourth answer is A, D and F. Flip round vertical axis, flip round horizontal axis, and rotate an angle less than 20 degree and small shift 1 to 3 pixel. And the question number fifth answer is 0.000002. And the question number sixth answer is B, F. Use selective search to obtain object position proposal. BF answer. Use SVM for object classification. And the question number seventh answer is C, E, GH. Use neural network to obtain. Use RO pooling layer to compute feature effectively, and use dense plus softmax layer for object classification. And last one is has neural network with multitask clause. And the question number 8th answer is 2400. This is the week 3 quiz answer, and now we will discuss week 4 quiz answer of deep learning in computer vision, and it's based on video analysis. And the first question answer is 8. First question answer is 8, and the second question answer is angular error and endpoint error. Angular error and endpoint error. And the question number third answer is 1.414. And the question number fourth answer is the time required for tracking algorithm to run compared to the time acquired for image filtering operation to run. And the question number fifth answer is false negative error, false positive error, and ID switch. And the question number sixth answer is 0.8. This is a question number sixth answer. And the question number seventh answer is false negative are decreased, numbers of mostly tracked is increased, and ID switch are reduced. And the question number eighth answer is C and D. By explicit consideration of motion information and to localize action in video, we usually detect and track relevant objects first. This is the week 4 quiz answer video analysis, and now we will discuss week 5 quiz answer of deep learning in computer vision, and it's based on image segmentation and synthesis. And the first question answer is perspective projection, max pooling, graded computation, and image convolution. This is the first one answer. And the second question answer is 921600. And the question number third answer is it is more computational efficient because segment size are bounded, and it limits distance between pixel by certain threshold. Utilize the notion of hard spatial neighborhood. And the question number fourth answer is D, to undo pooling by outputting an image with larger resolution. And the question number fifth answer is A, we output maximal values at their respective indexes and places 0 elsewhere. And the question number sixth answer is a matrix produced by computing dot produced between two sets of vector. And the question number seventh answer is C answer, it produces data that is hard to distinguish from real. And this is the week 5 quiz answer, and please subscribe my YouTube channel and like the video, and thanks for watching my YouTube channel.